Good afternoon, Sunday afternoon. What a great afternoon for a Sunday. Better yet, welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. CBOE, called the VIX.X. It's called Market Volatility Index, folks. And I've done lots of specials. I'm just showing a weekly chart here. When I said that we were going to have a big correction, you can make a lot of money. When that VIX breaks higher, you can buy calls. When the VIX wants to go down, you can buy puts. The thing about the tax situation in this country is that the last highs are way up here at 80. There's a long, long ways up. When this goes higher, stock markets crumble and go lower. It's that simple. Basically, the weekly chart, we made that pop up in that last selling round right here up toward 50. Since we had the 7-day rally in the earnings season coming in, we put in a bottom right around here, exactly where that big breakout to that top, that's to the pullback. That's the baseline right here of that support. And if the markets continue to sell off, this continues to go higher. One of the things that we're going to be looking at is the put to call ratio and what that looks like. Remember, folks, when this goes higher, stock markets go lower. If you don't understand it and it's your first time seeing the video, you can always come to stockmarketfunding.com. Learn how to position yourself to make a lot of money. Learn how to hedge your IRA, your 401k. Learn how to hedge your portfolio with risk management tools that we use. Of course, we got bear funds. If this goes up, bear funds go high. We've got 3x, 2x bear funds. We have it all. And it's all right at stockmarketfunding.com. We warned the people last time that we were getting down here where that big move was going to happen because of the complacency in the market. And as far as I'm concerned, we are going to have one of the biggest tax increases in U.S. history, which is going to send this thing to all-time highs looking forward, moving through the rest of this year. When we get into the fall period at the election year and they don't stop that from happening, stock markets are going to go much lower, and this is going to break out to all-time highs. A lot of money to be made there under that scenario. So basically what I'm saying is that the volatility index can break much higher and stock markets can go much lower. Unfortunately, the way that we're going in this country, if they don't extend those tax bush cuts, small businesses, lending institutions are already froze. The Treasury Department doesn't have any money. It goes on and on and on. Go listen to our talk radio shows on stockmarketfunding.com. Go back, do your research. There's over 500 videos. Look for all of these things that we've talked about in the past. We have not been wrong yet. And the analysis and the trades that we're going to be doing, they speak for themselves. Your opinion and the reality of what happens are two different things. And let me tell you right now, having the right skills and the right education will give you the cutting edge. StockMarketFunding.com is here. I'm going to show a monthly chart on the same index. And basically, this is a monthly view where back in 9/1, we broke out heavily up to 90. That's the highest level ever. That was back in the financial crisis. We hit the same bottom down here, and we almost peaked back to 50, and then we're right back down in this level of monthly support. One of the things that I would like to show on the monthly is just like over here. This is called a monthly buy signal on equities or anything for that matter. But look at here. If we pop a monthly buy signal on the VIX, we're going a lot higher. And with all the policies that could fail, we're about to pop that buy signal. Last time we had a monthly buy signal on the VIX was right over here. Shortly after it got its monthly buy signal, it started to gain momentum and strength in here. Because it did. Right here. We popped the buy signal. That confirmed that we would not go lower and that the momentum to the upside of the VIX would be there. When this goes higher like that, Boy, did the markets crumble. Well, what I'm telling you over here is I'm about to get that same buy signal, which is forward looking and going into the fall period and the spring or fall, winter, and into 2011. We could come all the way back up here. When this goes higher, the bear funds work well. And that should be your guide, and you should come. We have a list of them all, of how you can profit and make money. When the markets fall, you go short the indexes and you go long by buying calls on the VIX. We're looking at the $40 call for the month of December. Okay? And just to show you here, these are the calls that we're looking at. 1117, 1222, 1222. We're looking at both call and put side, so that we can, find out where the exact pricing control will be. The thing that I'm warning people on with failed policy and what's going on is that as we move through the earnings season, when that blue bar called the moving average convergence divergence, called the MACD, it's a monthly bar, by the way, and it's about to pop a buy signal. Now, what could be forward looking here is that the weekly has already got a weekly buy signal. So therefore, markets are in trouble. Look, we had sell signals over here, and when this goes down like that, stock markets go higher. They work invert.